Introducing the standard for automation, Kübler's Sendix 5000 and 5020 series incremental encoders. Built with the robust safety lock design, these encoders resist vibrations and installation errors, reducing machine downtime and repair costs. Their stable die-cast housing and protection up to IP67 ensure leak-free, reliable performance even in harsh environments, making them ideal for outdoor use. With a wide temperature range from -40°C to 85°C, they are versatile in any application. The captive clamping ring ensures secure installation for hollow shaft encoders. Choose from a variety of connection options, including cable connections with different standard lengths, M12, M23, mil, and sub-D connectors, ensuring a perfect fit for every application. Variants with connectors fitted in the cable guarantee error-free electrical connections to your control system. Designed for compatibility with all US and European standards, they offer a wide range of standard pulse ranges up to 5,000 pulses per revolution. With robust and precise sensor technology, Kübler encoders are the proven measurement solution for applications in drive technology, elevator technology, mobile automation, heavy industry, wind turbines, solar energy, packaging, and bottling plants. For more information on Kübler's Sendix 5000 and 5020 incremental encoders with robust performance and reliable precision, visit us at Gelco.com. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Gelco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted.